Hey gang, DVD collector, back in the movie room, and welcome back to another random review. Random review from the armchair. Where today we're going to talk about 2017's thrilling return to the franchise, Rings. As a horror fan, I have to say that the first two films were not bad. They were all right. Going back and finding the Japanese films, a lot better. One hell of a lot better. But we get to this film, and right off the bat, I'm going to say that I did not hate this. It had a lot of potential. It didn't use a lot of that potential. But it does bring up new aspects of this franchise. 12 years ago is the last time we saw Samaria, and the VHS tape of The Ring. Now, being 12 years in the future, technology has come up with itself, and now we have a professor that decides to make a digital copy of this so that he can send it out to other people faster. Now, the professor, played by one Johnny Galecki, imagine that, playing a nerd professor, has decided to make these copies and available to people willing to participate in an experiment. What he does is he has somebody watch this film, and then in 7 days, when it gets close to 7 days and it has not, nothing's happened and his experiment's not, told him what he wants to be told, he sends what's called a tracer or a tail, something like that, to meet up with him, and this person, the original person, is to show them the film. So it's just a long, ongoing process of people seeing the film and until he can do his research. Of course, sometimes when you open up a digital file, you might find more than just the original. Something maybe that was not meant to be seen, or the VHS just could not display this at the time. Anyway, our main character, Holt, his girlfriend decides to watch this in order to save him. And when she watches it, she sees more than the other people have seen. This thing is now tape after tape, copy after copy after copy after copy is getting more and more advanced, and now she sees a lot. They go on a search to find Samaria, just like the others. The film itself, executed, good for a film like this, a PG-13 jump and scare. This is fairly well done. The ending is pretty well thought out, pretty well it's thought out, but you see it coming from a mile away. You really do. And the execution of it is done really nice. The acting in it, a little subpar there. We do have Holt and his girlfriend Julia, and we have Vincent D'Onofrio plays a part in it, which is always a pleasant experience in a film. And that's about it. It's worth a watch. Is it worth a buy? If you're a completist and a collector, I bought it. Okay. Now, do you need to buy it to enjoy the Ring trilogy? No, by no means. But at the same time, I did enjoy it for what it was worth. I am a horror fan, so I'm really lenient on horror no matter what it is. And PG-13 horror films today are my least favorite. They really are my least favorite. But this one is just a step above PG-13. The girl playing Samaria is excellent in what she does. It is not digital. It is an actual person. The special features on this are amazing to watch with her. She is a real-life contortionist, so check it out. And until next time, later.